Good morning students. This is Pinky Yadav from Suraj School Mahendragarh. So students, we are discussing about modals. I have already given you 2 or 3 video lecture about modal verbs, and today also we would discuss some remaining modals. Clear? So let's start the class. And in last video we have discussed shall, will, should, would, can, could. So remaining some modals are remaining. We would discuss all the remaining modals today. Clear? For example, may, might, may, might, must, ought to, used to, dare, need. So these are the remaining modals. These are the remaining modals which we will discuss today. May and might. May is used in present tense. May is used in present tense, and might is the past form of may. It is the past form of may. It is used in past tense as well as present tense also to show possibility, permission. Permission. To seeking permission or granting permission, we should use might, and might shows the greater slight possibility. So here we would know where we can use. May is used to show the seeking permission, seeking or granting permission. परमिशन लेने और देने के लिए वे हम क्या यूज करते हैं? मे यूज करते हैं. मे इज यूज फॉर द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑल्सो. पॉसिबिलिटी. मे इज यूज फॉर विश, कर्ष, प्रेयर, ब्लेस. May is used to show the possibility, seeking or granting permission, wish, curse, prayer or bless, etc. We should use may. I told you can is also used to show the permission, granting permission or taking or seeking or granting permission. And to show the possibility, can I also told you that can is used to show the possibility. But I told you one thing, that modals can be used in many places. One modal can be used in many places. It is not fixed rule that only a modal is used only one place. No, modals can be used in many places. For example, may is used to show the possibility, as well as can is also used to show the possibility, and might is also used to show the possibility. Whenever we are determined or 100% possibility to occur the action, to happen something, then we will use will, because it shows the determination. When the modal shows the determination, then we will use will. And when 90% possibility is seen in the sentence, then we will use may. And when 10% possibility होती है, then we will use might. Might is used to show the slight possibility. Clear? To show the slight possibility, we use might. To show the slight possibility, we use might in the present tense. Otherwise, it is the past form of may. I want to tell you that might is the past form of may, and it is used in the past tense whenever we have to show the possibility, seeking or granting permission, wish, curse. Wish or curse is to show the wish or curse. May is used in present tense. Clear? And might is used in present tense to show the slight possibility. But indirect speech, indirect speech might is used in place of may. I told you all the modals are used in the past tense in indirect speech. In indirect speech, we use the past form of modals, not the present or first form of the modals. Clear? So remember it. May I come in? May I come in, sir? We generally use this sentence. You also generally use this sentence to take the permission to your elders. Whenever we have to take permission from our seniors, elders, then we will use may. And when we want to take permission from our same age person or our peer groups, then we can use can. Can. May, can, could. May and can. May is formal, more formal than can. It is used in informal way. Informal way. Can is less formal in comparison of may. But may is more formal than can. And could is used to show the politeness. Politeness. When we want to show the more politeness or polite request, then we will use could in present tense. Could you give me your book please? Could you go there please? Could I sit here? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? क्लियर. सो हमें पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट के लिए हमें कुड यूज कर सकते हैं प्रेजेंट टेंस में. क्लियर. एंड may is more formal. May is used to take permission from our seniors or elders, and can is used to take permission from our peer groups or our same age person, because it shows the informal way and it is formal way. Clear. And next, it is rain today. It is rain today. It is cloudy कह सकते हो. It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today. If there are clouds in the sky, then what will be happen? Rain आ सकती है. और क्या होगा? So it may rain. It may rain today. आज बारिश आ सकती है. It is possibility. कितनी possibility है? Because cloudy है, clouds है, तो it means आपके पास यहाँ पर 90 और 95 डिग्री, 90 above 95 आपके पास possibility है that it may rain today. But if I say it is clear weather today. It is clear weather today, or there is no cloud in the sky. There is no cloud in the sky, or then we should say it might rain today. It might rain today because clear weather है. Sky बिल्कुल clear है. Clear sky है. ठीक है. Clear. It is clear sky. आसमान बिल्कुल clear है. It might rain today means slight possibility of rain. Slight possibility of raining. बारिश आने की बहुत कम संभावना है, तो slight possibility show करने के लिए might is used. Might is used to show the slight possibility in present tense. Clear? Otherwise might is the past form of may, but it can be used in present tense as well also. Clear? Next, must shows the moral duty. Sorry. Necessity. Necessity, compulsion. Clear? Or moral duty also. Moral duty. Ought to is used to for moral duty, obligation, and social binding. Social binding. Ought to is used to show obligation or social binding. Must is used to necessity or compulsion, moral duty in present tense. Used to is used to show the past habit. Past habit. Past habit or past action. Clear? Dare means to venture. डेयर मीन टू वेंचर, साहस करना. हाउ डेयर यू टच माई कॉलर, हाउ डेयर यू सिट हेयर, हाउ डेयर यू गो देयर, हाउ डेयर यू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. क्लियर? सो इट मीन्स टू वेंचर. नीड मीन्स necessity. Clear? So dare or need, these are the marginal verbs because they can be used as a main verb also, but whenever we use these verbs as a modal verbs, so after these we have to use we first, but when they are used as a main verb then we can use to infinitive also. Clear? So may I have discussed, I have given 2 or 3 examples. Must shows the necessity or compulsion. You must practice now, you must work hard now due to COVID-19. As you know that COVID-19 and pandemic is going on, so we all are remaining at home and we should work hard. We must do our work, we must attend the online class, must attend the online class because it is compulsion for us. There is no option, no any other option than we can study, by which we can study. Only and only one option, which is the online mode, which we can learn or study. Clear? Whenever we have to show necessity or compulsion, I must wake up early, I must wake up early as my parents are old and I have to do my domestic chores. And moral duty, you must serve for your country, you must obey your parents, you must obey your parents. These are the moral duty. And ought to also used to obligation, you ought to serve your parents, you ought to serve for your country, you ought to obey your parents, obligation. And social binding and some social rules, we ought to follow the traffic rules. Used to show the past habit, I used to go to temple daily, it was my habit in the past. I used to speak in English when I was 10 years old. Clear? So